Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate the iconic zombie outfit from Michael Jackson's legendary Thriller music video. So if you want to win the next 80s zombie or music video theme in DTI, you can use this look and let me show you how you can create it. So first for the hair, I'm using these three hair in here, and for this one only use the bangs and color it all black. Now I'm going to go to the dressing room and put on this packets right here. Change the color into red and black like this, and let's remove the logo. Next one, you can go to the men section and put on these pants in here. Use the same red color, and I'm going to change the material into leather. Now also put on this jackets right here. Use the same red color. Also black for the detail. Now you can just put on the shoe. So for the shoe, I'm going to wear this shoe in here, all in black color. So now this will be the final look for zombie outfits in DTI. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.